What's up, guys? So, I'm feeling a little bit under the weather right now, so I'm not 100% in a good place to make this video, but I just want to say thank you for 200 subscribers, and we're gonna be messing with some vintage tech today. Now, this is a Dell Inspiron 5150 that I got from my grandfather back in 2015. We open it up here. Yeah, I probably should clean the screen, but whatever. This has an Intel Pentium 4 in it, and I've been experimenting with what operating systems could work on this machine. So Windows XP was the operating system that launched on this machine. Windows Vista does work, and it's probably the most aero optimized OS on this system because I tried Windows 7. Windows 7 absolutely hates this machine. So we're not running Windows 7, we're running Windows Vista on this machine. So let's see, what can you do on Windows Vista in 2024? This thing has a really beefy power adapter, so I need to go plug that in. Take a look at this chonker. I mean, wow. Okay, so we're gonna plug this end over here, this end right here. We have power, so that's a good sign. I think now you're getting the vibe of how small this recording space actually is. I'm gonna leave it to charge because it hasn't been charged for months, and you know how 2003 batteries, they lose capacity, blah blah blah, so I'll see you guys later. Okay, I think it's charged up enough, let's power it on. Whoa, here we go. Here are all the specs of this machine as well. Now, what can you do with Windows Vista? Well, let's find out. Is there any applications? I guess not. Alright, let's go to Internet Explorer and see what we can do. Yeah, this works. Alright, I know, I have to actually go to something. Alright, now that we're on Google, let's try to download something. Firefox. Can we download Firefox? Is that something we could do? Because I'm just gonna say Internet Explorer is not gonna be our best bet right now. Oh yes, let's go. Okay, the website is really broken. It's fine. Download this one. I really hope this is gonna work because I don't know. All this to go to a browser. Yes, yes, run, absolutely, yes. We're making progress! Making progress! Yes, absolutely, I would love to run it. Actually, we'll minimize this for now. We'll leave that there. Yes, allow. It may be a Trojan, but I don't care. Next. Yes, default browser, absolutely. Man, look at that old Firefox logo. That is insane. That actually looks really nice. Yes, launch Firefox now. Let's go, we actually have a browser on here. Oh boy. Oh, look at that. An even newer Firefox is available. Well, we're on Windows Vista, so that's not going to be possible. Now for the test. Does YouTube work on Firefox? On a version this old? Let's find out. No way. No way, it's actually loading. Oh, yeah, no, it's not. It's not. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Just continue. It's okay. Just let it do its thing. Okay, YouTube does not work. Fantastic. Oh, yes, it does. It does work. Oh my gosh. What? Okay. Okay. It's loading the thumbnails. Okay. I typed it out. My hands are right here. It's still trying to buffer the word. There we go. Oh, there it is. Oh, the fans are revving up. Oh my gosh, as soon as it loaded the profile picture and banner, it just completely went berserk. Alright, thank you guys for 200 subscribers, by the way. You guys are amazing. Now for the true test. Can it watch a YouTube video? Oh my gosh. All 3 LEDs are on. If it blue screens while trying to watch a YouTube video, I'm gonna start laughing. Alright, let's just make a new tab. Oh! Oh, it's so slow. Oh, it's so slow. No, go back. No, go back. Oh! No f***ing way. No way is it actually loading this. It's a 30-second ad, but there's no way it's actually gonna load this. It's trying. It's trying. Where's my mouse? Turn that volume up. Turn that up. Turn that up. 80. Is this actually gonna work right now? Oh my god. Oh, it's struggling.
They're all grainy and everything, but now that I actually have a light source. Anyways, let's move on.
Oh yeah, it is not liking this. It looks like 144p. Looks like a video from 2006, but we got it working. Yes! Okay, that's awesome. I actually did not expect YouTube to work on this machine. Fantastic. Alright. Okay, let's actually get off of the browser for now and explore some of the games. Because, you know, you can't do a Windows Vista video without playing any of the games. Oh, it is still so slow. Alright, alright. All programs, games, solitaire. Let's do solitaire. Okay, okay. Okay, there we go. Alright, alright. Well, that was Windows Vista in 2024. I don't really know what else to do. Actually, I do know something I can do. Make that full screen. Make the canvas bigger. Yeah! MS Paint. We gotta do this and that and this and that. Then we gotta use the fill tool. Yes. Beautiful. I'm such a good artist. So good. I'm such a great artist. I know what I'm doing. Alright, well that's my drawing. That's my MS Paint drawing. Let's go ahead and save this, alright? Very good art. Yes. I have to say the keyboard is actually fantastic to type on still. Like, the key travel is amazing. Oh, I wish we could go back to this. And now we shut down the machine. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you have enjoyed, then give it a like, maybe even subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.